geobyte.
Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Okay, look at the screen. It is asking like this. A monatomic gas at a pressure P1 at a pressure P having a volume V expands isothermally to a volume 2V and then adiabatically to a volume 16V. The final pressure of the gas is, you're asked to take gamma equal to 5 by 3, that is 1.67. Gamma for monatomic gas equal to 1.67 equal to 5 by 3. So better to mark the PV diagram for the two process given, pressure versus volume. Let us mark the initial state of the gas where the pressure of the gas is P and volume occupied by the gas is V. Okay. After isothermal expansion, let this isothermal expansion, the pressure is P2, P2 and volume occupied by the gas after isothermal expansion is given 2V. Then adiabatically expanded. The adiabatic expansion process can be represented like this. This is the adiabatic expansion. Adiabatic expansion curve must be drawn with more slope because the slope of the adiabatic curve in the PV diagram is more compared to slope of the isothermal curve. At state 3, that is after adiabatic expansion, the pressure is P3 and volume is given 16 times the initial volume. Okay, then you are asked to find what is the final pressure P3. Okay, for that, first let us take the 122, that is isothermal expansion. For this isothermal expansion, as we know, relation between the pressure and volume is P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Okay, pressure at state 1 is P, volume at state 1 is V, pressure at state 2 is P2, volume at state 2 is given 2V. Then this V is cancelled, P equal to 2 times the P2. From this P2 equal to half of the P. Okay, then let us take the 2 to 3, 2 to 3, that is adiabatic expansion. Listen carefully, adiabatic expansion. For this adiabatic expansion, the relation between the pressure and volume is PV power gamma equal to constant. That means P2 V2 power gamma equal to P3 V3 power gamma. Understood? If the process is from 1 to 2, then P1 V1 power gamma equal to P2 V2 power gamma. But our process from 2 to 3. Therefore, we can write P2 V2 power gamma equal to P3 V3 power gamma. Okay. Then P2 equal to P3 into V3 by V2 power gamma. P2 equal to P3 V3 by V2. V3 by V2. Here V3 by V2. V3 is 16V. 16V by uh, right 2V, right? V3 by V2, yes, correct. 16V by 2V power gamma. Gamma is given 5 by 3. Here P2 equal to P3 into, here it is 8. 8 power, because this V is cancelled. 16 by 2 is 8 power 5 by 3. That can be written as P2 equal to P3 into 8 can be written as 2 power 3, 5 by 3. This 3 part is cancelled. Then P2 equal to P2 equal to P3 into 2 power 5, right? So P2, what is the P2 value? Look at the P2 value. P2 equal to P1 by P by 2. P2 equal to P by 2 equal to P3 into 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So P by 2 equal to 32 into P3. From this P3 equal to P by 2 into 32 equal to P by 64. That is the pressure of the gas after adiabatic expansion, P by 4. Look at the options. P by 64. Option C is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. It is asking like this. A thermodynamic system undergoes a cyclic process A, B, C, D, A. Look at the diagram. The work done by the system in the cycle. Look at the cycle. If I take the if I take this part of the cycle, look at the screen. This part of the cycle is in the clockwise direction. Therefore, this cycle is giving positive work. Whereas the other cycle, let me mark it. Whereas the other cycle is in anti-clockwise direction. The cycle for anti-clockwise direction is for power consuming system. For this cycle, work equal to negative work. Negative work. First, let us decide the positive work. Right? Positive work equal to area of the area of O area of AODA. AODA. That is equal to that is triangle area half into base into height. Half into base 2 V naught minus V naught into height is 2 P naught minus P naught. It is equal to V naught P naught by 2. V naught P naught by 2. Right? The negative work equal to what? Negative work also same, the half into base is 2 V naught minus V naught. Height is 3 P naught minus 2 P naught. It is equal to V naught P naught by 2. Since positive work and negative work both are equal, network equal to uh, work for AOD AOD, right, minus plus actually work for OBC OBCA. So work for AOD equal to V naught P naught by 2, whereas for other cycle V naught minus V naught P naught by 2, that is equal to 0. Identical, no, identical triangles, but one triangle. Look at the one triangle. One triangle is in the clockwise, other triangle in the anti-clockwise. Network equal to 0. Option D is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.